Hi all! So, we got another problem here looking at applying trigonometry. So, we'll just go through this question. We've got a submarine initially at sea level, dives at an angle of 11 degrees to the horizontal, 11 degrees to the horizontal, at a horizontal distance of 1,200 meters. Okay? There is an uncharted reef at the depth of 240 meters. Will the submarine pass over the reef at this point? Okay, so that's what we need to ask. Will it pass over at this point? So we need to apply some trigonometry. First, we've got our submarine up here. Okay. Forgive my horrible drawings. There we go. Alright, and it dives at an angle of 11 degrees to the horizontal. So if the horizontal's here, dives at 11 degrees. Okay? So it's diving at 11 degrees at the horizontal, and the horizontal distance is 1,200 meters. Okay? And now it's asking us, there is an uncharted reef at the depth of 240 meters. Will the submarine pass over the reef at this point? So it's saying, will it pass over something that's 240 meters deep? So we need to work out what this is. And if it's above 240 meters, it won't pass over it. Okay? If it's below, it will. So we'll set this up. We've got an angle here. This is our opposite. This is our adjacent. So we need to use tan. So we've got tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay? Just remember your TOA. So here we'll fill in our blanks. So the tan of 11 is equal to the opposite, which we don't know, and our adjacent, which is 1,200. Okay, so now to find this, we just need to multiply both sides by 1,200. So here our tan of 11, or 1,200 times tan 11 is equal to x. I'll just quickly work that out. And that here gives x as a value as 233.256 meters. So if it's 240 meters deep, so this x value is 233, so 240 would be just below it. So that means, yes, it will clear. The reef, and it will clear it by about 7 meters. Okay, so around 7 meters, 6.7 or 6 point, however many you want to put, but it just asks if it was going to pass over the reef at that point, and yes it will, and it's always good just to give an estimate by how much, just to show your understanding. So this is how you can break down this type of problem. Yet again, it's using stuff you already know, it's just breaking down the question. So make sure that you do start off with a drawing, okay, write down or copy down or highlight all the important information that's relevant, and then set up your equation and solve for your unknown. Okay, and then just make sure that you relate this back to your question. Okay, so hopefully this helps with breaking down a worded question, and good luck.